How to find, download, and view the Epstein files. So if you want to find, download, and view the Epstein files, then just watch this video. First, you need to open up your browser and just simply go with your search and then search for Epstein files. After that, make sure that you open up the one which is from Department of Justice. Otherwise, you might end up at a fake website. So be careful. Now, once you find this kind of interface, all you have to do is just simply go with yes. Are you 18 years of age? Now, if you scroll down, then here you will have some DOJ disclosures or House Committee of Oversight and Government Refund disclosures. You can just simply go with the House disclosures as well, or you may also have an option of court records. You can just simply go with that. I'll just simply go to DOJ disclosures. You need to click on that. Now you need to scroll down, and then you can just simply go with any option that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with the first one. Click on View Files, and you will have the dataset files. Scroll down and then click on the file or the PDF. Go back, and then you can also view another image. You can also go with your next dataset and then scroll down, go and select any PDF. And this way you'll be able to find Epstein files. And if you want to download it, you can just simply go with download, which will be in the top right, and that PDF will be downloaded. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.